Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I want to chat with you about all the AI tools I've been using and testing for my Faceless YouTube channel. And if you stay tuned, I will show you a very cool video that I've done with AI. So I know AI is all the craze right now, and I feel like it is especially useful for faceless content creators like us. So I want to share a few tools that I've been using as a faceless content creator. And my first one is Descript. Love Descript. I'm actually editing on Descript right now for this video. Why I love it is because as a faceless content creator, you're not actually filming yourself talking, you are recording yourself talking. And looking at voice recordings is very different than editing a video. So there's no cues of what you're talking about. You can't just scan through the video to see what you've been saying. And when you are editing voice recordings, it's very hard to pick up where you've been saying things or where you messed up. So this tool is great because I can actually see it and edit it as a Word document. And I cannot tell you how many hours this has saved me. Before this existed, I would have to scan back and forth blindly in a voice recording to edit out my ahs, mistakes, and it was a long process. And using Descript has really saved my time. And the great thing is you can start for free. So I've actually started on their free plan before to test how everything worked. And once I'm familiar with it and found value, I started on the paid plan. Another thing that's cool about Descript is that it can auto detect text and put subtitles. You can edit the style of it. And there's also commercial use videos that you can add into videos so that you don't have to source it from another source. And especially if you are a faceless content creator, you will need a lot of stock footage. And when I do tutorials, I'll just edit right in here as a text document. It just helps me edit way faster with screen shares. They have a new feature where you can also clone your voice. I haven't really tried it yet, but I could say that it might need a little bit more work. But the fact that you can clone your voice is very useful if you fumble on your words or you've said the wrong thing and you want to be corrected to the right word. You can actually use your own cloned voice to say that word in the sentence so that you don't have to redo the whole recording again. So I find this very helpful in my content creation. The next thing I want to talk about is invideo AI. I've actually used invideo AI first because this was one of the first AI video editors that I've seen. And it's not just an editor, it's actually like a video creator, which is so cool because it can actually create a new video from scratch from your description. And it's great for faceless content creators that might be doing some storytelling or just making a channel for a specific topic that you need a little bit more research on. And this is so amazing. You just need to type what kind of video you want to make, what topic, maybe add in a few points, and it'll string everything together and put a script together, pull footages together to string a whole full video on this topic. And it really amazed me. And if it doesn't get any better, they actually do voice cloning too. And I've tried their voice cloning, and I would say it's pretty good for what it is. You can pretty much produce any video in less than 10 minutes. It does all the scripting for you. It does all the video sourcing for you. You can even tell it to add animated subtitles. You can tell it to do different transitions between each scene. It's just so powerful. And if you have some budget for it, you can start a completely new YouTube channel just for these AI videos. And their stock voices are actually pretty good. And in addition, they also have the voice cloning. So if you're looking for a quick and easy way to start a YouTube channel, or if you're not great in voiceovers, this is the best tool because it does everything for you. And the last tool I feel is one of the best AI voice tool for faceless videos is ElevenLabs. I didn't find ElevenLabs until recently, but I think it's been around for a long time. And it pretty much does text to speech perfectly. The voices are so realistic that you can't even tell it's robotic. I think it even has like the breathing sound, like when you take a breath when you're speaking. So it's super realistic. Another thing is that you can also clone your voice on this. I feel like this is the best voice cloner that I've used. It sounds so much like me. And I just think this is great if you pair it with other video generator. You can even do the voiceover from ElevenLabs if you're not comfortable recording yourself. You can just make it do a whole script and then put it into any free video editor, and then you piece together your own video. It's great for if you're maybe doing like a faceless kid storytelling channel. And I think this would be a great tool for that. It has a lot of features, not just for video. You can even do like a podcast just from 11 Labs. So there's a lot of ideas you can do with a lot of labs. You can do audiobook reading from it. And it's actually relatively affordable. You can start on the free plan to test it out, which I love. Anything that I can test for free is great because then I know if it will suit my needs or not. And this one has a free trial. I think all these had a free trial and I loved it. So I started paying for it. And 11 Labs, I think it's only $5 to start if you are paying for the premium features. So yeah, this is another great tool to use. If you're looking to try these out, don't forget to check my description. These are some of the best AI tools that I've used to help my faceless content creation. As promised, I am going to show you a video that was made by AI, and I hope these help you too. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.